All right, I'm gonna do a meditation and a little bit of oming or like a mantra of some sort because I'm sitting down in nature in the forest, just trying to get like all the birds sound amazing right now. And while I'm meditating, I'm gonna tap in to higher states of consciousness while I'm connecting to the birds and everything and Mother Nature. So here we go. Them birds sound so happy right now. They're making me happy. Birds, you know, birds are so cool. They have many different sounds. Sometimes I wish I was an animal, always one with nature. But I am an animal, and I can be one with nature. It's just not as much as I'd like to be. The weather has to warm up, and I'll be camping out in the woods. So peaceful, and like there's so much like in the world that has very good gifts and nothingness. You know what I mean? But everybody's on a go, go, go and can't pay attention to slow down. Slow down to enjoy. That's what I need to do, enjoy. I am kind of lonely, need more friends, but other than that, just to learn how to enjoy things a little bit more. You know what I mean? Learn how to enjoy just a little bit more. Hey, that's one of the woodpecker birds. Yep, that's one of the woodpecker birds over there. Those are the ones with the spotted, uh, smaller woodpeckers with the spotted feathers and the smaller beak. It's not like the pileated woodpecker. Them things are way bigger in wingspan and everything, and overall. You're just seeing part of my day, what I naturally do, like to stop and enjoy nature, or I'm just walking around in nature, just observing it, enjoying it, looking at all the little tiny trees in the forest, spruce trees, these spruce trees all around here. See, this right here is a spruce tree. This one right here, that's a spruce tree, and I can feel the energy from it. Really pure. And then there's baby spruce trees right here, but you can't see them on the camera. All right. Well, I guess I'll end the video. It's a girl walking her dog over there. So.